They've had a mixed start to the season by definition, with a win, draw and loss to their name so far, and grabbed a late point at Fleetwood Town on Saturday thanks to Ian Henderson. They'll be up against it here against relegated Barnsley, who have started strongly with 2 wins from 3 played. They also drew on Saturday and their defence is yet to be breached. A good atmosphere here tonight at the Crown Oil Arena. Here's Cosi and Clare. Cavare. Always happy to carry the ball forward. Here he is again. Dougal. Cavare. Good turn of pace. Not the best ball, but it may work out here. Over it comes, and it's off the bar. So close to the opener. Cavare's throw. It's a firm but fair tackle coming in from Andrew, and it will be a corner to Barnsley. Easily cleared away. Cavare, space to shoot, deflected. Oh, it was nearly in. All the away fans beneath us here were up there. They thought that one was going to nestle into the net. Forward there by Henderson, but cut out and sent back to Davies. Plenty of pace on the attack here for Barnsley. Thiam prods that one over, but gathered by the goalkeeper. Away by Josh Lillis. Partially away by Lindsay. Over it comes, and the header well over the top there by Dunn. Davies high into the sky. Lovely warm evening here in Rochdale, and the pitch in very good condition. And Clare. Poked inside there by Delaney. Henderson. He already has 3 goals to his name this season. That ball in there causing a couple of problems, and there was a touch on it. He goes for a corner. Cavare. It's a great ball down the line into Moore. Sadly for him, there wasn't anyone chasing after that one in a red shirt. And Barnsley keep on getting themselves into good positions here. Cavare underneath that one. Turn round the corner, nice return. Kieffer Moore leaves it, and it's struck there, just past the post. There was some effort by Alex Mowat, but wide of goal. Henderson. We've got 2 goals on Saturday. Rochdale wants a free kick there, but it's not coming from Michael Salisbury. And the counter's on here for Barnsley. Cavare steaming forward. Good ball into Moore, and the header this time is in. Well, it had been coming, and it's in from Brad Potts. And the Barnsley fans enjoying themselves now. Their side have been knocking on the door for most of this first half. And there's the opener. He got a goal in there, win on the opening day against Oxford United to make it 3-0. But this one far more important as he gives his side the lead. Rochdale 0, Barnsley 1. Thiam. Bent in well, 2-0! It's in from Kieffer Moore! The first goal of the season for the striker. And that's a comfortable lead now for Barnsley. Lovely roll back, the cross was superb, and Moore with a terrific header there. 2-0 Barnsley. It's nicely pushing forward, they're in again here Barnsley, a chance for another! And the goalkeeper got something on it. Every time they come forward here, they look as though they're going to score. And they'll try again with Kieffer Moore. Twisting one way, then the other. Who's it going to fall to? Thiam! Blocked, and he gives away the free kick. Well, a terrific first half for Barnsley here at the Crown Oil Arena. It is Rochdale 0, Barnsley 2. Potts with one, Moore with the other. Have Keith Hill's side got a response here? Wanted on there, and a real chance! And that's a fantastic block by Davies. It surely had to go in there from Rafferty, who was up. Cannon pings that one in. The counter's on here for Barnsley. Thiam, who has so much pace in his game. Here he goes again. Moore making the run down the left. Here he is. Kieffer Moore. Lovely turn. And a great finish. It's 3-0. Kieffer Moore with his second, his side's third, and surely that's all 3 points for Barnsley. It looks as though he might take it on his left foot there, but the touch inside made that goal. And a fine finish into the corner. Free kick Barnsley. There'll be a few interested takers here. Thiam in attendance. He might fancy it with his right foot. Would surely suit the left. Alex Mowat may strike. He does. Over it goes. Not too close in the end. Moore, such a huge frame, capable of scoring all kinds of goals, and he's chasing his hat-trick now. Moore with a sight of goal, and still hat-trick! Kieffer Moore, what a night for him! Rochdale showing him the goal a bit easily there, but he can only score what's in front of him, and he gets the adulation of his teammates. A similar goal in many ways to his second, on his left, back onto his right, and able to pick out the corner. Rochdale 0, Barnsley 4. Still life in this game yet. Barnsley want more. They've got 4. Moore sliding that one through. In it comes, headed down and off the line. That could easily have been 5. And Rochdale's embarrassment saved. Well taken down there. Deflected over, it will be a corner to the home side. Though surely anything now will be a consolation. Barnsley almost over the line. Nothing silly now. Moncur. Maybe one last attack now as Jordan Williams plays it inside. Over it comes. Out it goes, but it won't matter. There's the full-time whistle. A fantastic display by Barnsley. Daniel Stendhal's side showing what they're all about here this evening, putting 4 past Rochdale. Potts got things started 10 minutes before the break, but then a hat-trick either side of half-time from Kieffer Moore have secured the points for the away side. Great start to the season for them. They have won here at the Crown Oil Arena by 4 goals to 0.